Hindi na ako nakakapag-garden at malamig. Wala naman ngayong hangin. Mag-harvest ako ng aking patola. Kukuha ako dyan ng ampalaya na dahon para sa munggo. Magluto ako ng munggo. Masarap sa ang munggo. Yung patola masarap din sa munggo eh. Meron pa ako makukuhang patola. Yan o. Tsaka doon 3. Ayan ang aking garden. Itlog, talong at dilis at saka danggit. Kain tayo guys. Sarap. Ito po ang favorite pizza ni Tim at namin kasi masarap po itong pizza para sa amin. Hindi kagaya ng ibang pizza is dry. Ang gaganda ng leggings. $2 only. Ang ganda oh. $9 lang. Kay Marilyn to. Ang ganda to, may hawakan. Gusto ko kasi yung may straw. Tumbler oh. Ito na lang. Spill proof, anti-diversion. Ito na lang may straw. Gusto ito ni Marilyn. Ginamit ko yung gift card galing sa galing sa nag-donate si daddy ng dugo. Yan ang mga nabili ko. Gift card ang binayad ko dyan. Dalawang $50 gift card. So, nag-over lang ako ng $9. See, yung gift card, shopping card, 50, dalawang 50, shopping card. Pang ano yan? Pang church sa Sunday. Wala pa si daddy, makulimlim ang labas. Ayun, nakikita ko na ang car ni daddy. Andito ko sa labas ng Walmart. Ito po ay free gift cards. Free gift card. $100. Ayan na si daddy oh. Yay! So this is what happened to our house today. Look. This is the wood on the table. And the wood also over there. And wood also over here. And more wood on that side over here. What is happening? I came from the store like it's over here. Look, the box unboxing. I've been to the store. When I go to the store, there's no messy like this. When I came back, There's a lot of mess everywhere. I don't know what is it. Dad is doing something. Daddy ordered from Amazon. Is it Amazon? Daddy, you ordered this from Amazon? Ang mga wood na yan, oh. I-assemble ni Daddy, oh. Ito yung mga nabili ko sa sa Walmart that I used the gift card. $100 gift card. Kasi nag-donate si Daddy. If you donate blood here, you get how much? You get free ticket for like before basketball, ha? Free ticket to the movie theater, free ticket to bowling, or ito yung mga nabili ko pang pasalamat. Black dress, yellow dress kay Marilyn, tapos may mga long sleeve din dito si Daddy. Black, I like black, makes you skinny, Daddy. Ito yung mga nabili ko. $100 lang to lahat. Kasama yung sippy cup at saka forks and spoon para kay baby. Itatapon ko na yung mga lumang sippy cup kasi it's old sippy cup. Ito yung dress ni Marilyn. Dress ni Marilyn. 40 for 5T dito, 5 size 5T. Dapat 40 lang, baka hindi kasi kay Marilyn. Ito naman size large, sa akin naman dress. Magbuboots na lang ako, yung boots na black na boots. Tapos ito kay Marilyn din. Magbuboots na lang si Marilyn na black din. Boots. Yan. Ito. $5 yan. Lalabhan ko na para ito kay Daddy, $12. $12.98. Ito kay Tim, $12.98 din. Ito ay 3X. And ito ay small. And then meron silang small at saka 3X na black long sleeve. Long sleeve is nice kasi malamig. Ayan. Ayan yung mga binili ko sa Walmart.
Don't post that.
Okay, Tim, we need A. An A. Oops, these are A's. I think the A goes right.
To the G. Well, I think that's
Halfway done now, ha, Daddy?
Done. Don't let her step on pieces over there in the glass.
Tim is doing great.
There you go. Here's your 2 rounds.
Wow, is that drawer?
This is such a silly drawer. I just kicking my ass because it's you get. Hi, beautiful.
Look,
Yeah.
it's complicated.
Yay.
What do you call this? Cabinet?
It's gonna be. You can have a wine rack, a spice rack, storage for your.
Complicated and messy too, huh?
It's supposed to be nice Maganda asawa.
It's 11:49.
Almost done.
It's late at night. It's almost morning.
It's for my maganda asawa.
Oh,
So she'll have nice place.
oh, oh, so nice husband. And so pogi too.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. Did you hear the baby? Yeah.